The best cheap 3D printers for 2020. Best for consumers, schools, community centers. XYZprinting da Vinci Mini. Reasons to buy. 1. Very low price. 2. Reasonably priced filament. 3. Good print quality. 4. No misprints in testing. 5. Easy setup and operation. 6. Quiet. 7. Prints over a USB or Wi-Fi connection. Reasons to avoid. 1. Occasional problems in trying to launch prints. 2. Removing printed objects from the print bed is sometimes tricky. The bottom line. The XYZprinting da Vinci Mini is a consumer-oriented 3D printer that provides a winning combination of low price, ease of setup and use, solid print quality, and smooth, misprint-free operation. Best for experimenters looking for two-color output. XYZprinting da Vinci Jr 2.0 Mix. Reasons to buy. 1. Low price for a two-color 3D printer. 2. Good print quality. 3. No misprints. 4. Quiet. 5. Prints over a USB or Wi-Fi connection, or from a South Dakota card. Reasons to avoid. 1. Poor documentation makes the learning curve longer than it should be. 2. Requires use of proprietary filament. The bottom line. The XYZprinting da Vinci Jr 2.0 Mix is great choice for a low-price consumer 3D printer, especially if you want to print in two colors. Best for 3D printing newbies. Flashforge Finder 3D printer. Reasons to buy. 1. Quiet. 2. Good print quality. 3. Connects via USB 2.0 cable, USB thumb drive, or Wi-Fi. 4. Reasonably priced. Reasons to avoid. 1. Some objects pulled off the platform during testing. 2. Poor documentation. 3. Modest build volume. 4. Limited to printing with polylactic acid filament. The bottom line. The Flashforge Finder 3D printer is moderately priced and offers good print quality, but it proved tricky to get up and running in our tests. Best for 3D printing dabblers, okay with small objects. Polaroid PlaySmart 3D printer. Reasons to buy. 1. Small, lightweight for a desktop 3D printer. 2. Easy to set up and use. 3. Supports PLA, PETG, and wood composite filaments. 4. Multiple color support. 5. Wi-Fi camera monitors print jobs. 6. Prints from USB drive South Dakota cards or mobile devices. Reasons to avoid. 1. High price for its capabilities. 2. Small build area. 3. Too brief warranty. The bottom line. The Polaroid PlaySmart 3D printer is a compact, stylish 3D printer with above par overall print quality, but, alas, a tiny build area for the money. Best for budget-strapped first-timers. Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. Reasons to buy. 1. Easy to set up and use. 2. Budget price for printer and filament spools. 3. Supports PLA, ABS, and several composite filament types. 4. Versatile software. 5. Prints over Ethernet or Wi-Fi, or from a USB thumb drive. Reasons to avoid. 1. Frequent misprints on certain test objects. 2. Slightly bulky touchscreen. The bottom line. The Monoprice Voxel is an under $400 3D printer that's easy to set up and use. It exhibits generally good print quality, but it was unable to print 2 of our test objects. Best for freehand expression. WobbleWorks 3 Doodler Create Plus. Reasons to buy. 1. Light, compact, and easy to hold. 2. Helpful guide packet and tutorials online. 3. Intuitive controls. Reasons to avoid. 1. Chance of burns. 2. Hot plastic smell while using. The bottom line. The latest version of the WobbleWorks 3 Doodler Create Plus is a fun-to-use pen that lets you create 3D objects out of melted plastic freehand style.